Okay, and what we just done is we just scrubbed this part of the area. But what I want to show you, the size of this room. It's a big, large loft, and we just pre-sprayed all the carpet. And we're gonna scrub it now. Then when I get done scrubbing it, we'll steam clean it. Okay, what I'm showing you here is we just scrub the edges all the way around because houses develop a lot of soot and it's very difficult to come out. So what we do is I'm showing you the action of this thing right now. We're actually scrubbing the carpet, which gives it a much better cleaning than just running your wand across it. So you're seeing the action of this. Just got done scrubbing everything, so now you're seeing the action of what the scrubber does to a fiber. How it brings the nap up, it breaks the stains and the dirt up, especially along the edges. Really makes a difference when you have a lot of buildup of soot. So the action of the scrubber does a much better job than just using a wand, which a lot of your carpet cleaners out there are set on doing only. Okay, this is Dave again, All Colors. Now we're cleaning the carpet. What I just do, let me show you something here. I spray forward, it's spraying towards me, okay? Just so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, it's not easy. I'm doing it with one hand. Then I go back and I vacuum up the path that I just did. Believe it or not, 95% of your carpet cleaners out there do not take the time to do that because it's an extra step. But it does pick up extra moisture and dirt that may be in the fiber. This is Dave with All Colors Carpet Cleaning, Dyeing, Stretching, Repairs. Had to redo this part of the video because of the format. But what we just got done doing is we just got done scrubbing all the carpet, pre-spraying all the carpet, and steam cleaning it. The most important part, though, is also to deep scrub it. Something that is barely done any longer in this trade. But I'm old school, it's the way I've been doing it for a long time. This is David with All Colors Carpet Cleaning, Dyeing, Stretching, Repairs. And what you're seeing is the end result of what we do. Have a great day. This is how the carpet looked after we got done doing all three processes. The edges, even the edges look better. They were really bad. That's that black soot. It's almost impossible to get out. But this is how it looks after it's been steam cleaned with a truck mounted service. We also deodorize at no extra charge our regular deodorizers. This is David from All Colors Carpet Cleaning, Indianapolis. Stretch and Repairs, signing off.